Hey, what's up, guys? This is Sean from Crypto Abundance Consortium. Just wanted to today, so I'm just going to give like an overview right now of sort of cryptocurrency market conditions. Today is 16 November, and can talk about a few coins that I'm holding and a few programs that I'm looking into, and just if you want to invest in cryptocurrencies, kind of the best way to do that. So I've been doing this for, well, I was a currency trader for about a year. Before that, I was in business school. Before that, I was did cryptography for the government, and so yeah, I have the background for being a cryptocurrency investor, basically. But so anyway, right now we're looking at coinmarketcap.com. So if you want to see a list of all of the coins that are listed on coinmarketcap.com, just go to coinmarketcap.com. And there's so much good information on this website. Has some different tools, shows you trade volumes, market caps. So let's just get into it. Start with 24-hour change in volume. Looks like some of these coins have kind of just gone up a little bit. BAT's gone up, Liska's gone up, IOTA, Qtum. You know, these kind of just pop up. Like EOS is up 11 cents, Ripple's up, BitConnect is up to 286, Zcash is at 305, ARC is up at $3. Power Ledger, I think Power Ledger is going to go up. So if anybody wants to know like what's should I be investing in right now, I have a whole portfolio management system, but right now I really like Power Ledger, which is available on several exchanges. So we'll just take a look here at Power Ledger. 25 cents. Right now the market cap is $88 million. I think that's good. 24-hour volume, $15 million. I think that's good. Circulating supply, 348 million. 1 billion total power going to be in supply. I like that. I like that there's a limited amount of the token. The price is just kind of steadily been going up. Nice and slowly, steadily. We'll take a look at the markets. Power, I think it's a really good sign if something's listed in several exchanges. But right now we have Binance is the highest volume trading for Power, but we're looking at 25 cents right now. India's on. So this is what I like about Power. So if you're one of the, and if you're like me, I'm a yoga instructor also. I'm a yoga instructor and I'm also an investor. So this Power Ledger is a distributed blockchain technology for power grids, and it's just it's very powerful. I think there's a lot of there's a lot of potential in this project, but basically it's getting electricity to everyone, like in a renewable way that takes out the power of the power company, takes out the control from the power company and their ability to manipulate prices. So this is a great project. I've been buying a little bit of power here and there with dollar cost averaging. Where's my power? Oh, I might have done it on Cryptopia. So for there's no. I use Gate and Cryptopia for my exchanges, but so I think power is going up, and we'll look at a chart. See, here we go. Power ledger. I have 240 power ledgers, power ledger tokens. We'll come over here, Bitcoin market. POWR. And see there, that's where you can kind of see the price went up a little bit. So it says it went up 9.5 cents in 24 hours. That's the volatility of this market. I think right now it's very early in cryptocurrencies and cryptocurrency investing. It's an entirely new market, and it's an expanding market. So my advice right now for anyone is think about the future. Think about 5 years from now. Think about 10 years from now. Think about, what do you think the world's going to look like in 5 years? What technologies are people going to be using to make their lives better? And then buy stock in companies that are making those technologies today. So that's my entire strategy. Yeah, that's the whole strategy in a nutshell. And the way to go about that is research, stay connected to markets, Look on Bloomberg, look on CNBC. MSNBC is okay sometimes too.
The best way to beat the market in 2017.
Okay, so that's Power. Power coin. The rest of my holdings are a little bit up. Bitcoin is at 74.83 right now, so it kind of went down, went all the way down to 56, 53. I think it was down all the way to 53, about 55. So it's gone back up. Bitcoin's going back up. I think that everything is just going to keep expanding. More and more people are going to be putting their money into cryptocurrencies. And it's an expanding market. So let's take a look at, so this is my portfolios are on Gate. So this is my cryptocurrency portfolio on Gate. And on Cryptopia. These are all just different projects and coins that I'm just holding. You know, if Nablio goes to $10, you know, I spent $9 on it, so it'd be $200 gain. Okay, so that is that for now. Each one of these companies you need to do more research and due diligence on. And the way to do that is, you know, you go to their website, read what people are talking about on social media, on forums, on websites. Look at the mining statistics. A really good way to determine the market adoption for a coin or a token is if it's profitable to mine or stake or lend. The reason why BitConnect is at $287 right now and it just keeps going up is because they have this platform where they have this lending platform, and I've been thinking about this in all different kinds of ways. Okay. But BitConnect, I think the price of BitConnect is just going to keep going up. Right now I put $100 in. I reinvested $10 that I got back. My total that I've made already is $136, and then I'll get that capital back. So with BitConnect, I think is a good program. I'm about to put $10,000 into BitConnect. I've been watching it for over 4 months, seeing people put money into it, and I've heard what the naysayers say. I've heard what the people that promote it say. I've seen people that were against it become for it. I've seen people that were for it start to not like it. But for me, I think that BitConnect sort of has the fundamentals for everything that's needed for a cryptocurrency. You can mine it, you can trade it, you can invest it, which is lending, and you can do staking. So you can do staking and certificate of deposit is basically the same. Investing and lending is pretty much the same thing. With their investing and their lending program, is what you're actually doing is you're putting your money into a trading bot, and so it's a trading bot. It does buy and sell orders based on volatility of and see, this is where it's genius. It's their exchange. So they pay you an interest based on the volatility of their own coin being purchased. There's a lot that goes into it, but basically you send them Bitcoin, you use that Bitcoin to buy BitConnect with this exchange. You come over here to your dashboard, and then you do lend BitConnect. So first you have to buy BitConnect, and then you do lend BitConnect. And then once you get paid out every day, this volatility software interest plus 0.25%, then you take that money, you still have to buy BitConnect with it, and then sell that for Bitcoin. So you have to use BitConnect. And so there's volatility back and forth. And the price of Bitcoin goes up and down, and you're profiting off of the volatility of the trading. So this BitConnect, and it's profitable for a lot of people. Please look into it more. Genesis mining, not a whole lot going on. Still just making daily payouts. My payouts are coming to me in Dash because the transaction fee is less than Bitcoin, and it's faster, and plus I think the price of Dash is going to go up. So we'll take a look at Dash real quick. $419 for Dash right now. Yeah, there was a time where Dash was $2. Let's see that. So I just happened to put the cursor right at about 2 years ago. So 2 years ago, you think about what you were doing 2 years ago. Dash was hardly even anything. It was some source code on GitHub, and they had a blockchain, and they had miners, and there's projects like that right now. You can go to ICO alert. Well, the ICOs are a little bit further along than a source code on GitHub, but you do want your ICO to have a working prototype. And so they need a project, they need source code, they need a working prototype, they need proof of concept. And I like it also when the developers of the project have a use case. So they say, hey, we created this project, and this is a potential use case that people can use. So I think that's really valuable. But come over to cloud mining on HashFlare. So my hash rate went up again. It goes up every single day because I have automatic reinvestment into SHA-256. So we can look at my history, and we'll look at my purchases. And so today I bought 0.03 terahash, $4.5, reinvest transfer, and that was today. So every day my hash rate goes up. My revenue forecast is at $7.45 per day. And just every day it'll just keep reinvesting and increasing my hash power. And I like to do that with any asset that creates like a interest that you can use to buy that asset back again. So for me, my advice for HashFlare is spend however much you want on 1-year contracts for Bitcoin mining, and spend the first month or so just doing reinvestment. Just do this reinvest. I've been doing reinvestment transfers on HashFlare since I bought my first contract. It was about 2 months ago. So right now, this is pretty much your only option for cloud mining Bitcoin, but they also have Dash X11 mining. So you could look into, let's see how long. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, it's 17 minutes long already right now. All right, on HashFlare you can do SHA-256, Script, Ethereum, X11, or Equihash. So we'll go over to this X11 mining right now, and let's just say we want to do $1,000. That'll put us right at 320 megahash for Dash. Megahash. 320. That can't be right. Okay, 320 megahash. 320 megahash. No, that's not right. I might be right. Let's crank this up to 1 gigahash, 1.1 gigahash of Dash mining. 1.1. Yeah, so actually it looks like this Dash mining isn't really going to be profitable. So 1-year contract, if you're paying $3,500 for, so we're looking at 365 days of mining. Open up a calculator here, and so we say 352 divided by, it's 35 cents. It's 35 cents a day. Okay, so I mean it's not even really worth it to do the math on here, but 0.35 times 365. So you're gonna make $1,200 out of $3,500 investment. It's not worth it right now. The only mining that's profitable right now is the SHA-256. Let's say we want to put $1,000 into SHA-256 mining. This Bitcoin mining. So we come back over here. 7 terahashes. 7 terahash, $9.33 a day. It's pretty good. And we're gonna say 9.33 times 365, because these are 1 year long contracts. So we'll make $3,400 off of a $1,000 purchase of hash power. So if you want to get into cloud mining right now, HashFlare seems to be the only place that you can do it. But it is profitable. You will make your return on your investment in about 4 or 5 months. The price of Bitcoin is going to just keep going up. Bitcoin, you're going to see it's going to be at $25,000 once the supply keeps going down. You'll just see the price go up. The price per Bitcoin go up. You can still send somebody $100 US worth of Bitcoin. It's just 0.001 Bitcoin. So, people think that, oh, the price of Bitcoin's going up, I can't invest or I can't use it. It doesn't, you can still use it. I encourage people to use Bitcoin, Dash, Ethereum, and all the other cryptocurrencies, all the altcoins. Build a portfolio, lend, stake, trade. Teach your friends how to use cryptocurrencies. And yeah, just share the knowledge, share the wealth, share the blessings. Everything good gets better when shared. Just remember that. So that's why I just wanted to share all this information with you guys. And so I want to send blessings out to you and everyone, all your relations today, for peace. And I just want to send a message of peace out today. So yeah, just blessings, and just I hope you live your dream life. Bye.